And big news coming in at this moment from the Delhi High Court, which has rejected the bail petition of 2020 Delhi riots accused Taslim Ahmed in the case of hatching a larger conspiracy. A bench of Justices Naveen Chawla and Shalinder Kaur. This bench had reserved its order on the 9th of July after hearing arguments on behalf of the prosecution and various accused. Today that order was passed, and in that where the bail plea had been put out by Sharjeel Imam, Umar Khalid, Mohammad Salim Khan and others, their bail petition has been rejected. Let's find out why from Nupur Dogra, who is joining us live now from outside court. What's the reason, Nupur?
Well, Padmaja, the detailed order from the Delhi High Court is still awaited, but as we have tracked from the hearing throughout the arguments, we have followed this case, and it was essentially the Delhi police that had opposed bail to all the accused in this larger conspiracy case, saying that they had an active role in influencing the Delhi riots, and in fact they had produced lengthy speeches of especially Sharjeel Imam, and had also produced WhatsApp chats in the Delhi High Court while arguing and vehemently opposing bail to all the accused in the Delhi riots case. Now the Delhi High Court has just orally pronounced that it has rejected these bail petitions, which have been pending in the court since 2022. The High Court has now finally pronounced this verdict and has denied bail to all these accused, which includes Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, Gulfisha Fatima, and several others who were in fact accused and are facing charges of UAPA especially for their alleged roles in the Delhi riots larger conspiracy case.
Because just like Nupur was pointing out, during the hearings, Umar Khalid's counsel had submitted that just by virtue of being on a WhatsApp group where certain texts were exchanged, one cannot be named as accused. They had also said that this is extremely slow pace of trial and already more than 4 years have been spent by the accused in jail. But going by the fact that right now bail has not been given, it seems that the larger point made by the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that this was a conspiracy against the country seems to have been upheld by the court.
Well, Padmaja, we are yet to see the exact reasoning adopted by the Delhi High Court while granting bail, as there were several other legal angles that the court had to keep in mind while considering bail for them. But as you have said, that it could be the case that High Court was convinced with the arguments presented by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, as well as the Delhi police that had, vehemently opposed and had said that those people who are found to be accused in hatching conspiracy against the nation should not be granted bail so easily. And this was essentially the argument that was made by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. And it will be interesting to see whenever we get hold of the written copy of the Delhi High Court, that what are the reasons as to why the Delhi High Court has not considered bail for any of the accused here.
All right, can you also very briefly for our viewers, because this case is more than 4 years old, just tell us what have been the arguments from both sides, Nupur?
It was essentially the Delhi police. They have made, in fact, a huge file of cases and allegations, which essentially includes speeches made by Sharjeel Imam. And in fact, they had said that it was speeches made by Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid that had contributed to instigating people. And they had, in fact, said that the riots that broke out in Delhi February of 2020 were not spontaneous, but they were carefully crafted. So this was in fact the argument by the Delhi police, and they have in fact for now over the years in every argument in every court they have maintained this, that this is a case of a larger conspiracy hatched by certain section of individuals, and because of that the Delhi riots occurred. Now on the other hand, the lawyers of Umar Khalid and other accused in the case had gone on to say that only WhatsApp chats cannot be, and just by being a part of a WhatsApp group does not make them the reason behind hatching conspiracy, and that does not prove anything. But it seems that the Delhi High Court was more convinced with the prosecution's arguments. That's why the Delhi High Court has finally denied bail to them.
Okay.